Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexus Nicole here. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we are doing my go-to makeup look. It's real cute or whatever, like, you know, your girl had to like show y'all her favorite makeup look of all time. Like whenever I'm going out, whenever I have to go to an event, whether it be school, whether it be just whatever, this is the makeup look that I go to. It's quick, it's easy, it's a little bit of glam, a little bit of cute, a little bit of sexy, a little bit of natural. Like it's just perfect. It's very simple, very easy, and I've been doing this for a really long time. This makeup look just works for me, period. It lasts all day. I don't have any problems with it. So I decided to show y'all how I achieved this makeup look. So yeah guys, but I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel for more videos coming soon if you want to check your girl out. And without further ado, let's just get into it. Hope you all enjoy. Hi girl, welcome back to your girl channel or whatever. Okay, so I know I'm looking crusty, but that's just because I just finished washing my face and brushing my teeth and taking a bath, honey. So period, we just finna get into this look. I'm about to clean my face with my Huggies wipes, girl. And yeah, how y'all been doing? What's going on? I feel like I should do like a Q&A or something. Like I feel like y'all don't know me, and I don't know if y'all want to know me or not, but yeah, we gotta get some communication together, okay? But anyways, I'm gonna just do my go-to makeup look, y'all. It's so easy. This is when I first started doing makeup. This is what I did for my face, so y'all gonna love it. I'm gonna put my first video that I did on YouTube. It was my go-to makeup look maybe like 3 years ago. So I'm gonna put that in the description box. It's kind of the same thing, but not really, so we gonna see. I got my mirror right here, so if y'all see me looking over here, it's because I have my mirror. So but yeah, y'all, what's going on? Are y'all still alive? Like, are any of y'all sick? I don't know, y'all. I hope nobody's sick. I pray for health and healing over everybody, even Trump. Okay, so recently I've been liking my Morphe pencil. This is in the color Chocolate Mousse, and I'm gonna use this for my brows. So I'm gonna just comb these up. I did clean them with some Nair, so y'all know I like using Nair on my eyebrows, so yeah. But I'm just gonna lightly fill these in. I don't want usually when I do my, yeah, I'm sorry, I always have boogers. Either I'm burping or I have boogers, so. But when I do my go-to makeup look, I try to do like kind of like dark brows, but not so light. So we're gonna go for like a medium complexion brow today. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my LA Girl Pro Conceal. Y'all, if y'all been watching my videos, y'all know I love me some LA Girl Pro Conceal. So I'ma just use the color Cool Tan. This is what I've been using on my eyebrows for the longest, especially when I want like a natural but still like highlighted look. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into my Urban Decay All-Nighter Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer. So I'm gonna scoot y'all in some so y'all can get a little closer look of my eyes. So I have been using this palette for so long. Like, this is my baby. This is like a need in like your makeup palette. If you don't have this palette, you need to get it, because if you don't have it, you're crazy. This is like the Baddie Essential palette. Okay, this is the Morphe 350 palette. All these beautiful natural shades. So I'm gonna start with my transition. I'm gonna go into this color right here, and I'm gonna go into this one right here, and I'm gonna just go into my Morphe M200. Y'all, this is a 3-color eyeshadow makeup look. I'm only gonna use 3 colors. That top color that I showed y'all the first time that I used it in my transition area, we're gonna put that on our lid. So y'all gonna see in a second. But I'm going into the next color that I'm going into is this brown right here. Oh wait, is it this one or this one? I'm gonna go into this color right here and put that in my crease using the same brush. All right, so now that's on. Guess what? We're going back into this shade and we're gonna put this on our lid. It's gonna look even more like vibrant and more prettier on our lid than in our transition area, and y'all gonna see just a second. So yeah, I'm just taking a flat brush to apply that to my lid. You see how it looks different on our lid than on our transition area? And then I'm gonna go back into my Morphe brush and go back into that brown shade and kind of blend that out. Then I'm gonna wipe that off and go back into this second transition color, because I see it's kind of fading and we want that to be really bright. Yeah. All right, and now we're done with the eyes, girl. Wasn't that easy? Okay, so now we're gonna go into some mascara and some liner. This is Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, and this is Kat Von D Tattoo. I'm sorry, not Kat Von D. Kylie Jenner liner. Once you get tired of playing with your liner, it's just gonna come natural. You have to hide that drag, baby. Quit playing with me. Okay, so I'm using my favorite lashes. I did a whole lash review on my last video. Not my last video, but maybe like 4 videos ago about my lashes, where I get them from, how much they cost. So I'm gonna leave that link down below so y'all can check out where I get my lashes from. They're real cheap, girl. Like 10 in the pack for like $2.99. So I'm gonna leave that in the description box down below so y'all can check out where I get my lashes from. Okay, so while I put my lashes on, I'm gonna prime my face and let that sit. And I'm put my foundation on, so I let that sit while I put on my lashes. So I'm gonna put on my Black Radiance True Complexion Primer and my Black Radiance True Complexion Refining Skin Primer. So I'm gonna put both of these on, and then I'm gonna put on my Elegant Pro Concealer in the color Fun all over my face. It's a concealer, but I'm gonna use it as a foundation because I don't know what else to use. So, and I haven't used anything else but this when I do my go-to makeup looks, and this works perfectly. So we're gonna use it today. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend this out with my, I think they used to call this a kabuki brush, but it's like a slanted kabuki brush. And the reason why I let my makeup sit is because I want it to like dry up and get matte, because I am really oily, so I like a very matte face. Alright girl, so now I'm going into my Kat Von D concealer in the color Neutral. I'm gonna put a little bit on there. I don't know if y'all noticed it as well, but I don't like a lot of makeup. Like, I hate for my makeup to look cakey, and like I said, I'm oily, so if I have on cakey makeup, it's not gonna work for me because my face already oily, and then you want me to put cakey oily makeup on top of that. And I'm just using my beauty blender to blend this out with. And then I'm gonna apply my what is this, my Nair luxury banana powder. Okay, boo, you can call me Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my Makeup Forever powder in 174. I'm gonna put this on my whole face to kind of like bring back some color because we're looking real ghostly right now. Okay, now I'm gonna bronze my face with my CoverGirl bronzer. This is Tawny Fave, my favorite bronzer of all time. Usually I don't put nothing under my eyes except for mascara, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, so now I'm gonna spray my face. Girl, I told y'all we was gonna make this quick. We almost done, okay? Like, come on. I'm spraying my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And yeah, we're gonna let that sit just a little bit. And while that's sitting or whatever, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I'm gonna take a real tiny brush and put some of that into my waterline. I mean my tear duct. Real cute, real pretty. And now we're gonna take some more and do a light highlight. I'm about to put some liner on. This is my NYX lip liner in the color Cappuccino. And then on top of that, I'm just putting some lip gloss on. Liner and lip gloss, and that's it. And this is in the color Praline. Okay, so I have my face sprayed. I'm gonna go do my hair and I'll be right back. And we're back. Okay guys, this is the finished makeup look, the finished everything, hair, whatever like that. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I really like doing makeup. I really like doing whatever that makes me look pretty and makes me feel happy. So this is the finished makeup look. Hope y'all enjoyed it. This is the makeup look that I do all the time whenever I have to go somewhere, and this is the makeup look that I go to because it's just quick and efficient and it's really pretty. It's not too much glam, but it's just enough. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I not sure if I want to do a hair review on this hair because I had so many complications with this hair, y'all just want to know. I wore this hair for my birthday and I was going to do a video on it, but I'm not sure yet. But if I really want to see a video on this hair, let me know and I'll do a video on it. But other than that, guys, that's all that I have. I'm talking too fast. But other than that, y'all, that's all that I have for y'all today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you all for tuning in. If you did like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel for more videos coming soon if you want to check your girl out. And without further ado, I'll talk to you all later. I'm saying this like I'm introing the video. But yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be happy, be blessed, stay safe, take care, and yeah, talk to y'all later. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.